Welcome to another FoodLabelMaker tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to further customize your nutrition label by adding nutrients like omega-3 and omega-6 to custom ingredients. So here's how to get started. When you open your recipe and go to the recipe builder, simply add your ingredients. Most of the USDA ingredients already include omega-3 and omega-6 values. However, if you are adding a custom ingredient, like this mayonnaise for example, it is important to ensure that you add these values manually. Now, let's start adjusting this custom ingredient. Start off by clicking on the info section on the right-hand side. Then check the nutritional information of your ingredient. Go to Other Nutrients. Scroll to the bottom and insert the corresponding amount of omega-3 and omega-6. When done, click and save at the bottom of your dashboard. Then head over and click on the Customize Label button. In the Customization panel, look for the section called Show Hide Nutrients, where you can control exactly which nutrients appear on your label. To add omega-3 or omega-6, simply switch on the toggles for these two nutrients you want to include, and that's it. Your nutrition facts label will instantly update to show omega-3 and omega-6 in the correct section. Don't forget to press the Save button on the top right.